Day 300 of the Book of Mysteries devotional. The day of Neogenesis. He had removed the Torah scroll from the ark, laid it on the table, and opened it up at its beginning. Look, said the teacher, the very first word of Scripture, Bereshit. Hebrew, the entire book is named after that word. It's the book of Bereshit. He paused to look up the scroll and continued. Look up from the scroll and then continued. The resurrection took place on a Hebrew holy day. The day of first fruits, I said. Yes, as the resurrection was the first fruits of the new creation. He turned his attention back to the scroll. The be in Bereshit is just a preposition to indicate in. The first word of the Bible is Reshit. When the ancient rabbis translated the Bible into Greek, the word Reshit became known, the word known throughout the world. Which word? Genesis. Genesis is the translation of Reshit, and the book is the book of Genesis. Now, said the teacher, do you remember what the day of the first fruits was called in Hebrew? Yom Reshit, I said. The day of the Reshit is the same word. So he didn't only rise on the Hebrew holy day, but on the Hebrew holy day that's called the day of the beginning. Yes, said the teacher. The day on which Messiah rose contains the exact same word that begins the scriptures, the universe, and the creation. And in the Greek, the day Messiah rose. The day of Genesis, the resurrection is the new Genesis. It's the Neogenesis, he said. And what happened on the first day of creation? It was dark and void. And God said, let there be light, and there was light. So too on the day of Neogenesis, it was dark and void in the tomb. And God said, let there be light. And there was light and new life. And from that empty tomb comes the power of Genesis, the power of Neogenesis, to all who receive it, in the deepest, darkness of this world and of this life is the power of let there be light, and there is light. And in every ending is the power to call forth a new beginning, the power of Genesis, the power of the new creation. It is for all who enter it the power to be born again, for Messiah is our Neogenesis. The mission. Where in your life do you need a Genesis? Take the power of the resurrection, the Reshit, and declare it into your life. Let there be light. Genesis 1, 1-3, Luke 24, 4-7, and 2 Corinthians 4, 6, 5, and 17. Thank you.